What's up, everybody? Good morning. It is Carmen and Darius here, and we are hanging out in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania this weekend, just hanging out with some friends. But we wanted to come to you live via Facebook Live and share some information with you. So yesterday, just a little background story. We were added on a post of an individual saying, I have a whole life insurance policy. I need advice. Please let me know what I should do with this policy. So Darius and I jumped on the post and we're just sharing the knowledge that we had. But what we found was a slew of posts of people talking about get rid of your whole life insurance, you need to buy term and invest the difference.
Yeah, so when it comes to term, the idea of investing the difference is the money that you would have bought or paid for whole life insurance, you take that difference and you invest it in stocks, real estate, or whatever your investment of choice is.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're saying is you can do both. So the money that you put in the whole life insurance when you have a policy designed by us is that there's immediate cash value available in the first year.
Yes.
That you can still take and invest in your investment of choice.
Exactly.
Be it stocks, real estate or
Mm-hmm.
whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So we're saying the same thing. The difference is the fact that you can earn a dividend and you have a guaranteed cash value. You can earn a dividend and interest, compound interest on that cash.
Yeah.
And still invest it.
Yeah.
Because the idea when it comes to whole life insurance is that you take that cash and you put it into some type of investment. And a lot of times what we say is to you okay?
Yeah. Arm's getting tired. Go ahead.
A lot of times is we say to take care of all your third-party debt. And that is something where you're recapturing the principal and interest that you're spending on something else. So in essence, what we're doing is saying the same thing. You can make money off of yourself. If that's something that you're interested in, do it. If you want to invest in real estate, still do it.
Yeah. Yeah, and the other thing, just to break down whole life insurance, I feel like it gets such a bad rap. And the reason being is because people just don't understand it. I feel like it's highly misunderstood because so many people say, oh, agents make so much commission from whole life insurance. There's no cash value in whole life insurance, so you're just throwing your money away. But, and I agree. These things are true. Agents do get paid generously when it comes to whole life insurance policies, and a traditional whole life insurance policy doesn't have any cash value until about 3 years in. But you have to understand who you're dealing with and the agents that you're working with, because agents like Darius and myself know how to design whole life insurance policies where the client has cash value in the very first year, and it's 60% of the premium.
Right.
So again, that's huge because all of that money that you thought you could have put and invested somewhere, now it's parked in a whole life insurance policy that's earning a guaranteed 4% compounded interest rate, right?
And dividend.
And dividend. And that money that you could have invested, now you've put that, if you bought a term insurance policy, that money that you're investing is now in an environment that does not provide guarantees. So when you invest, that's just what it is, right? So all we're saying is take it a step further. Put your money in a whole life insurance policy, get the guaranteed 4% bare minimum if you don't do anything else, and then take that cash value and invest it. So now not only are you earning the 4%, you're earning whatever those investments are earning at that same time.
Right, so use this as an example. Carmen and I, we invest in real estate, and we work with a lot of business owners that also do the same thing. So let's take the idea of buying term and investing in the difference. You buy term, you have whole life, you have a death benefit in the event that something happens to you. You earn 20% interest on your investment. Perfect. You're doing exactly what you need to do. Now, let's use our concept of infinite banking. You take the cash value in your whole life insurance and you invest it in real estate, and you're earning 20% interest. But the nice thing about that is that you're also earning a 4% compound interest and dividend on the money, even though you've borrowed it from the insurance company.
So true.
So you're earning 20% from the investment, plus you're earning 4% and
compounded
and a dividend.
Exactly. So just wanted to share that with you. We felt like when people make comments about products and insurance products, you really have to understand what's going on, because I know Darius and I used to say that all the time, buy term and invest a difference, but we didn't really know what that all meant and what it entailed. And there were other products that were mentioned on there like IULs, Universal Life, and things like that. But again, you just really need to make sure that you're putting your money in an environment where it provides guarantees. And whole life insurance is the only product that does that, and it's been around for over 100 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we have these assumptions on what things are going on, just make sure you do your research and educate yourself and go a step further than what people are actually telling you.
Right.
All right, guys. Well, we hope you have an amazing Friday. Go out, kick ass, and take names. Have a great day.